This training video provides an overview of how to use Apptegy Staff to manage and display accurate staff information. Next, we will review the staff menu. On your webpage, where is the staff information located? There is a link in the main site menu. Click on staff, and everybody might have it listed a little differently. This, for instance, will say meet our staff. There's where you'll find the staff information for your school on your website. Why would we use this rather than a Google Sheet? Well, in the top right where it says selected departments, you can use that drop down. So here I could select where it's going to filter and make my search a little bit easier. Or I could even search someone's name in the top left corner. So that will make it a little easier to search and find as a user. Back to the Apptegy site, if we need to edit some of this information, you would hover over the person whose information needs to be adjusted. There is a delete, so there's a little trash can, and also the edit button. If you have a teacher who changes departments, then you can change the department information here. All of this information after the first and last name is just optional. So the only thing that is required is the first and last name. But all that additional information is going to be very useful for the end user. Now, another thing that's really nice about this contact page is you may also add a link. Let's say that your family resource coordinator has a separate page, then you would be able to add that link to that page within this particular contact information. And then, of course, just click update. Now, if you have a new employee, then in the top right-hand corner, you would just click on Create New Contact. The only thing that is required, once again, is just going to be that first name and last name, and the rest would be optional, and then just click Create. Now, also, if you want to change the order of the list, hover over the person's name, and on the left side, you'll see the little waffle. Once you hover over the waffle, then you're able to drag and make changes that way. If you have a really large staff and you need to find an employee to make a change, you could use the search bar up here and just search by name. You could filter by department and search that way, or you can sort by first name, last name, or primary department as well. That will also help save some time on finding an employee that needs to have some information changed. And I would like to also mention that on the website, if you click on menu, there is a staff option there as well that will take you to the staff page. So 2 different ways to find the staff page as an end user. So just be mindful if you are the person who is in charge of updating your website, make sure the staff information is always current. And so this is where you would go to add staff members, remove staff members, change any information that may need to be updated. So that concludes the training on the staff portion.